So today we are going to assemble one CPU for 3D wheel alignment, and here you can see that all of the components of a CPU are available. It's a CPU box and cabinet with SMPS. This is motherboard. This is processor. What is the number? It's a Pentium Gold G6405LGO 1200. It's very good processor. Then it's a motherboard. The model is H410V3. It's made by Gigabyte. It has 3 years warranty. It's a RAM. Normally we are using 4GB RAM. You can use 8GB too. It also have a 3 years warranty. The processor also having 3 years warranty. This is the SMPS with 3-year warranty, and one Wi-Fi router is there with 3-year warranty. We are using the wireless keyboard mouse, Dell wireless keyboard mouse, that also have a 3 years warranty. Whatever the products we are having, all are available with 3 years warranty. This is the model of Dell keyboard and mouse, and here it's already mentioned 3 years. Apart from this, we are using computer monitor. It's depend upon the supply. Whatever the monitor you will order, whether it's 18.5 inch or 12 inch, but all monitors are coming with 3 years on-site warranty. Here you are saying it's a SR monitor, the size is 23.5 inch. It is also having 3 years warranty. So in case of CPU, whatever the components we are using, all have 3 years warranty. But for this 3 years warranty, you have to claim yourself with the manufacturer. We are giving 1 year warranty from our side, and another 2 year we will support you to go and take the warranty directly with the manufacturer. Thank you.